Welcome to Bonds News, your global window into current affairs. The idea of life existing elsewhere in our solar system has long captured the imagination of mankind. Mars, in particular, has been a focal point for scientists as the most viable candidate for establishing a future space colony. This interest has led to numerous studies and simulated missions aimed at understanding the potential for human life on the red planet. Recently, a significant milestone was achieved at NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston, Texas. A 4-member crew successfully completed a 1-year stay in a simulated Mars habitat, a part of the first Crew Health and Performance Exploration Analog (CHAPEA) mission. This mission aimed to study and conduct various experiments to better understand the challenges of living on Mars. The crew, comprised of Kelly Heston, Anka Selaru, Ross Brockwell, and Nathan Jones, began their mission on 25 June 2023. During their year-long stay, they lived in a 3D printed habitat designed to replicate Martian conditions. This included dealing with limited resources, growing their own vegetables, and going on simulated Mars walks. One of the critical aspects of the mission was handling communication delays with Earth, which added a layer of realism to their experience. Throughout their stay, the crew conducted numerous experiments to study the effects of prolonged isolation, resource management, and the psychological and physical challenges of living on Mars. Their research is expected to provide valuable insights into what future astronauts might experience on actual Mars missions. Julie Crumer-White, the Director of Engineering at the Johnson Space Center, praised the crew for their dedication and resilience. She highlighted the importance of their contributions and announced that 2 more CHAPEA missions are planned for 2025 and 2027. These upcoming missions will continue to build on the knowledge gained from the first mission and further our understanding of living and working on Mars. The successful completion of the first CHAPEA mission marks a significant step forward in this journey, with the crew's experiences paving the way for future explorations. In conclusion, the CHAPEA Mission 1 has set a precedent for future missions to Mars, providing critical data and insights that will help pave the way for human life on the red planet. With more missions on the horizon, the dream of living on Mars is becoming an ever closer reality. Thank you for choosing BGN channel. Stay tuned, like and subscribe.